Hello and welcome back to our construction playlist here. We're going to construct more perpendicular lines, but now I'm going to construct perpendicular lines through a specific point. So we'll do one that is on our segment for this video. Our next video will be perpendicular through a point not on the segment. And I'm going to pick any point that I want. I'll pick this one here. You can see that it's off to one side just a little bit. Okay. Now what I need to do, this is a little bit different. We've been taking our compass and just making arcs and then connecting the intersection points, right? That's how we made our perpendicular lines. But perpendicular through a specific point, I'm going to put that point, I'm going to put the point of my compass right on that point. I'm going to open it up. I want to make sure that it intersects my segment twice. So I'm not going to make this circle any wider than I need it to be. So I'll make my circle. There we go, there's my circle. Okay, now we're going to treat this as its own segment. We're going to go from one intersection point to the other. We're going to look for where the circle intersects that segment. And now we're going to treat this just like we've been doing. So I'll open up my compass a little bit more than half of that circle diameter. I'll make one arc. And again, we're just looking at the circle diameter. That's our new segment. We're going to do exactly what we did before. And now you can see that if that were my segment, we just did what we did before. Put your pointy metal part of the compass down, make one arc, put it down on the other end point, make a second arc, and then connect your two intersection points. Now look at this segment. Notice how it's not anywhere near the middle of this bigger original segment. This is what we started with. This is not bisecting that big segment, but this is perpendicular to that segment through a specific point. All right, let's try that one more time. So we'll make our segment. It doesn't matter how long or where it is or what direction it's going. I'm going to make my segment here. I'll offset to the left this time. All right, I'm going to make sure that it intersects my segment twice when I make this circle. All right, there's my circle. Now I'm only going to focus on this diameter. Okay, that's my new segment that I'm going to find the perpendicular bisector of. So just like we did before, I'll put my compass on that circle where the circle crosses the line. I'll take my compass, put it over here where the circle crosses the line. Make sure that your pencil is nice and secure. There we go. And now this should give me a perpendicular line through the point on my original segment. There we go, through the point, perpendicular. In our next video, we'll go over how to find a perpendicular line through a point off the segment.